to do something that I've always been wanting to do, and that's getting a vine wall set up in my apartment. So the vine wall is basically like, y'all know this one. It's a vine wall. But I want to be able to take my pictures at home and have like a nice little background, and it gives your house like a twist. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Off of Amazon, and I went to, I don't know if it's gonna be enough, but I went to Walgreens and I got some command bands. These vines. Now it's a 24 pack of silky ivy leaves, 78.7 inches for each two sizes of 80 leaves. I don't know, but it kind of stinks, but these are the vines. Hopefully I have enough, because I mean, girl, I didn't even open them. So, very viney. Viney, yes. Oh, yes. All right, so I'm gonna get these detangled. I'm home, y'all. My wig is coming off, but it's all good. So what I'm doing now, I'm just gonna pull them apart. Oh, this house is looking like a jungle. So I'm just breaking the apartment in, and if this wall looks good, y'all can let me know what kind of videos y'all want to see in the comments. If you didn't know, I am pregnant. I do have a little bun in the oven. That's how it comes. And it does smell. Oh no, I can actually like make this house a safari or something. It comes with these things. Girl. So it comes with these. And we're just going to, I like this one. This one wasn't so that come apart. But I am so excited, and this is kind of, I'm just so happy I was able to order these. Let me put it like that. So we're gonna get this gun. Uh-oh. Get this together. It seems like it doesn't want to come apart. I don't know what's going on. And one more. Got it. Oh, bitch. All right. So this is how it looks. Got them on the floor. 6 comes in here. So you guys, this is my ending results. I am so in love with it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yes.